Okay, well, another day of adventure. Today I'm also out by the amazing Illinois River, this just fantastic water body that is just out of frame, just off of the cliff over this way. And while I was kind of exploring options for places to wander along this river a bit, I found a place called the Swinging Bridge Trail. And this is just this amazing suspension bridge that was put over the river. And it looks like there's just all sorts of beautiful rocks and water bodies, and I'm not sure if the actual bridge is accessible right now, so that's a part of the nature adventure, but we're gonna hike down a trail that at least goes to it and see what parts of this amazing place we can bring to life and explore together. So come join me. It's gonna be a great deal of fun today.
Step down a short trail to the Illinois River and you can see an incredible bridge that time has made unsafe for human feet. With the gifts of technology, vagabonds like me can still explore its wonders. From the skies, I roam. Until we meet again, wander in wonder.